Hi stars, I'm Miss Garcia, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how to play the Waltz of Flowers. This is a beginner's tutorial, and the first thing you need to know is this waltz. And for that, the rhythm that we're gonna be playing with the right hand is down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up. From now on, I'm gonna play in the rhythm of the song, so you get used to it. But if you feel that it's too fast for you, you can just play with the settings of the video and make it a little slower. The chords that we're gonna be playing are D major, G major, E minor, and A major. The intro is up, up, down, up, 3, 4, and D, G, D, D, G, D. We repeat twice, and then Mi minor, A major, Mi minor, A major. Again, D, G, D, D, G, D, Mi minor, A major, E minor, A major. The chorus is D, A, G, G, D, A, D, A, G, and G, 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 and A again. D, A, G, G, D, A, D, A, G, repeat from the beginning. D, G, D. Verse 1. D, 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 E. E minor, A major, E minor, A major, and D, G, D, D, G, D, E. E minor, A major, E minor, A major, D, 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 A, D. Okay, this time I'm gonna play the song, but I'm not gonna be telling you the notes. Are you ready? Let's go. Intro. Verse. Repeat the verse. Chorus. Verse. And repeat. Ending. How did it go? Let me know in the comments.
Got a light inside, too radiant to hide. If you don't think so, let me change your mind.